Small Kitchen Color Trends 2026. Small kitchen color trends in 2026 are all about personality, depth, and clever illusions. This year, small kitchen palettes are moving beyond safe neutrals into expressive, mood-setting hues. Terracotta is making a big return in kitchen color schemes, adding warmth to compact kitchen spaces. If your small kitchen feels cold, terracotta can instantly ground the space with earthy charm. Forest green is a rising star for small kitchen cabinets, giving depth without overpowering the room. Green as a kitchen color brings a calm, organic vibe that reflects nature in tight spaces. Soft peach tones are trending too, especially for upper kitchen cabinets and small layouts. This kitchen color helps reflect light and soften sharp edges without looking sterile. Small kitchen design now embraces muted navy as a luxurious base color. Using navy in kitchen accents or backsplashes creates visual richness without shrinking the space. Beige and mushroom shades are replacing plain whites as the go-to kitchen color neutral. These updated neutrals give small kitchens a warmer, more lived-in feel. Two-tone cabinets are dominating kitchen color trends in 2026, especially in smaller homes. Try combining a dark lower kitchen cabinet with a pale upper one to stretch the visual height. Color-drenched backsplashes are redefining how kitchen color is used in tight quarters. A vibrant backsplash in a small kitchen acts like a statement wall in a larger space. Matte finishes are key to modern small kitchen aesthetics. They diffuse light and reduce glare. Glossy kitchen cabinets are taking a back seat, as matte helps create a softer kitchen atmosphere. Black kitchen hardware is pairing with rich color tones to make small kitchens feel grounded. For a moody yet elegant effect, deep plum is emerging as a bold, small kitchen color choice. It may sound dramatic, but plum accents can make a tiny kitchen feel refined and cozy. Dusty rose is also rising in popularity, offering a romantic twist on kitchen color palettes. Used wisely, dusty rose brings softness and originality to a small kitchen space. Natural wood finishes continue to complement color choices in small kitchen layouts. Blending warm wood with cool-toned paint gives the kitchen color story added texture. Another standout in 2026 is sage green, ideal for small kitchens aiming for tranquility. Sage works brilliantly as a kitchen cabinet color and even on open shelving. Don't overlook pale yellow. It's coming back as a retro-inspired kitchen color. In a small kitchen, pale yellow can instantly brighten and energize the space. Bold color blocking is now being used cleverly in small kitchen zones. Try blocking color across one wall or cabinet line to organize the kitchen visually. Metallic accents like bronze and champagne are subtly changing the kitchen color dynamic. Instead of overpowering, these warm metals complement modern kitchen tones beautifully. For futuristic small kitchens, icy blue tones are coming in strong. Paired with concrete or stainless steel, this kitchen color reads sleek and crisp. Clay pinks and chalky blues are showing up in pastel-forward kitchen color schemes. These muted tones offer a softer look than harsh whites or grays in compact kitchens. Warm charcoal is becoming the new gray for moody small kitchen designs. It offers depth, but avoids the clinical feel of cooler grays in kitchen color themes. Keep in mind, lighting always impacts how a kitchen color reads in small spaces. Choose kitchen colors that change nicely in morning and evening light. If you love patterns, consider colorful tile as an accent, not a full wall, in your kitchen. This lets you add bursts of kitchen color without overwhelming the small space. The trend is clear. 2026 is about making small kitchen spaces feel intentional and expressive. Kitchen color is no longer just an afterthought. It's the main design decision. Smart use of bold, earthy, or pastel kitchen tones transforms tight areas into personalized zones. With the right kitchen color, even the smallest layout can feel big on style.